Hi, I'm here to show you a product called Grout Sensation. This is the most amazing product you would ever use on your grout and tile problems. How many of us have actually gone on the website, we're looking for something that'll really clean that grout, we try it, we bring it home, we use it, and it just doesn't perform like it did on the video. And a lot of times when they're showing you on videos, it'll just be a light dirt, and they'll clean it and it'll look pretty good. But then you get it home, you try it, and you go, it's not working like it did on the video. So we're going to show you on a video, we're going to use Sharpie permanent marker. Let somebody show you that one. Then we're going to use Olympic staining, really rubbed into the grout. Then we're going to do crayon, and then your normal dirt. In less than 30 seconds on each one of these tests, you're going to see this product bring it back just like new. And that way, when you get it home and you try it on your grout, it's going to work the same way. Let's let somebody show us their product using Sharpies, permanent stain, or crayon. I'd also like to tell you about our special grout brush. It goes on the end of a broom handle. It's shaped in the form of a V. So what happens when people mop their floors, they take the dirt that's on top of the tile, and as it goes over the grout line, it gets packed along the edges. The way this brush is designed, it scrubs both sides with one sweep when you go down the grout line. Very fast, very easy to use, and like I said, goes on the end of a broomstick or a mop handle. Ideal for grout sensation. So now what I'm going to show you is, let's say a little kid colors your grout line with a crayon. Then let's say somebody else does something with a permanent marker. We're just going to let that dry. And then we're going to take Olympic stain paint, and we're going to paint a line here. And we're going to really rub it in so that it totally gets into the pores. And we're just going to let that dry. And then we're going to take normally what you would have in your grout line is ground in dirt. And that's just from people walking and carrying it on their shoes. I'm just going to brush this way. So this is normally what you're going to have. Crayons, very hard to remove. Permanent marker, totally impossible. And stained paint is something, once it gets into the pores of the grout, you're not going to get it out. So we're just going to let this one dry. It's almost. Putting dirt in along with it. So that's dry. So what we're going to do first, we're going to do the permanent marker. We're going to set for 30 seconds. And we're going to brush. We're at 25 seconds. And we're done. And the permanent marker is removed. Then we're going to show you on crayon. Grout sensation goes a long way because once you put it in the grout line, it actually just runs and spreads over the grout. And if you got that in your grout line, chances are you're not going to get it out. This is dry now. So now we're going to do the permanent stain paint. And now we have just your normal dirt. And now we have the whole area back to normal of where we started, and we used Sharpie permanent marker, crayon, Olympic stain, and regular dirt. So I just showed you an amazing product, Grout Sensation. What you saw with the tiles, it removing actually dirt, Sharpie, paint, even crayon. How this product works, it goes down to the very base of the grout. It pushes up dirt, mold, mildew, bacteria, anything that's in the grout. So when you brush that top, you're actually removing all of it. And then all you do is mop with clear water. The best way to use this product, the very first time, you're going to use it full strength, and you're going to use it with the brush. After that, what you can do is add a cup to 2 cups in your mop water about every 2 to 4 weeks, because what this product does is it actually goes back into that grout so that while you're mopping throughout that month, every time you hit that with water, you're reactivating that product and bringing whatever got built into that grout during that week, again, is now being raised to the top for easy removal. There's also 4 different detergents in it, and that's what actually does the cleaning. The buffered acid actually has no odor, so there's no odor to this. And by using it every 2 to 4 weeks, you'll never have to use that brush again.